The United States was staring at early elimination, 2 losses, a damaged run rate, and almost no margin for error. Now, the Super 8 race is suddenly alive. In a stunning turnaround at Chennai's Chepauk Stadium, the USA dismantled the Netherlands by 93 runs in one of the most dominant performances of the tournament so far, keeping their T20 World Cup dream alive and pushing the Dutch to the brink. After defeats to India and Pakistan in their opening 2 matches, the Americans needed something dramatic. They delivered it. Batting first, the USA posted a commanding 197, a total built on fearless intent and controlled aggression from the very beginning. The innings exploded into life through Sai Tejamakkamalla. The right-hander produced a defining knock of 79 from just 35 deliveries, an innings packed with authority, precision and belief. 4 sixes, 5 boundaries. He reached his half-century in just 30 deliveries and briefly looked on course to become the first player from an associate nation to score a century at this T20 World Cup. But the milestone was denied. Bas de Leede found the breakthrough and Colin Ackerman completed the catch at deep square. Still, the damage had already been done. Earlier, Shayan Jahangir had fallen for 20 of 14. Captain Monank Patel contributed 36 from 22 before departing in the 9th over. Yet, the tempo never dropped. At the halfway mark, the USA were 96 for 2. Then came the late surge. Shubham Ranjane's unbeaten 48 from just 24 balls turned momentum into complete control. Clean striking, calm execution, ruthless acceleration. By the time the innings closed, 197 felt not just competitive, but overwhelming. For the Netherlands, the equation was brutal. They needed their highest ever T20 World Cup chase, the second highest successful chase in tournament history. And from the first over, it looked unlikely. The American bowling unit, reshuffled and bold in its selection decisions, delivered with precision. In a significant call, the USA dropped their all-time wicket-taker Saurabh Netravalkar as part of 3 changes. It was a risk. It paid off. Harmeet Singh led the attack with clinical accuracy. He finished with figures of 4 for 21, ripping through the Dutch middle order and crushing any hope of resistance. He now has 7 wickets in 3 matches at this tournament. Only captain Scott Edwards and Bas de Leede crossed 20 runs. No partnerships developed, no sustained acceleration followed. The required rates spiraled. The Netherlands were bowled out for just 103 with 4.1 overs unused. A 93-run defeat, one of the heaviest losses in their T20 World Cup history. But this victory, as emphatic as it was, does not guarantee progression for the United States. The mathematics remain complicated. To reach the Super 8s, the USA must defeat Namibia in their final Group A match. Not just win, but win convincingly to further boost their net run rate. And even then, they will need other results to fall perfectly into place. At present, Pakistan hold a net run rate of 0.932. The USA now sit at 0.533. The Netherlands dropped to -1.352. For the Dutch, the situation is even severe. They face co-hosts India next, and only an extraordinary sequence of results bordering on the improbable would see them advance. This match may ultimately be remembered as the moment the tournament shifted. For the USA, it was a statement of resilience. After 2 early defeats, they responded not with caution, but with aggression. For the Netherlands, it was a collapse at the worst possible time. Group A is now wide open. 1 match remains, 1 final opportunity. And the margin for error? 0. The Super 8 race is not decided yet, but after tonight in Chennai, it is dramatically alive.